30 minutes of Super Bubble Guppies Mermaids missions. W/Molly, Zuoli and Dima. Are you fucking kidding me? Absolutely nevermore. More like
999
Minutes of the creepy stupid crappies failures killers. W/stupid, idiot, and bitch. Oh, my fucking god, this fucking 30-minute chapter fucking sucks so hard. This is my number one least favorite 30-minute chapter ever seen. These ruined all of the Smurfs for 2021's chapters, which are better. Anyways, the chapter begins: the Bubble Guppies mermaids become superhero mermaids on their missions and adventures. Zuoli, Molly, and Dima put on their magical crowns to use their superpowers in this 30-minute compilation.
Never more like the stupid crappies enemies become thieves on their failures and misadventures. Idiot, stupid, and bitch put on flaky poops to use their failures in this 99999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999
I don't know who likes this chapter, so I'm just gonna leave it be. Who hates this chapter? All characters from the Smurfs for 2021. They will grounding all of the Bubble Guppies mermaids for being a bully to the Smurfs for 2021. Ripped off Shimmer and Shine, and getting the 7th chapter in a row. And who hates this chapter the most?
Me, that's who. I will kill these bitches with a gun, and Bubble Guppies mermaids. If you are seeing this, I will destroy your whole world and having sex at night, smoke pot, eat poop for dinner, drink pee when thirsty, go to school naked, and Nightmare Barney will give you nightmares for ruining Bubble Guppies, ruins the Smurfs for 2021's chapters, and last of all, ripping off Shimmer and Shine. I hope you will get jump scared by future Barney's punishments.
That's all I have to say. So, fuck 30 minutes of Super Bubble Guppies mermaids missions. W/Molly, Zuoli and Dima. And fuck Mickey Mouse Funhouse. All 30 minutes chapters from Shimmer and Shine will forever be 1,000,000 times better than 30 minutes of Super Bubble Guppies mermaids missions. W/Molly, Zuoli and Dima. End of extreme rant.